Hi, this video is for number 5 of the Chapter 3 quiz review. The problem reads, the point -4, 7 is on the graph of y equals h of x. Find the coordinates of this point on the transformed graph y equals 2 times h of -1/3 x minus 1, and then we're going to take away 1. So this one's just like the graphing ones above, except you don't have a graph that you're looking at. Okay, so we're going to say here we have our original function, right? We said our h of x. So we're going to say here would be like our original table, right? So that just meant we had like this original point on the table, right? But that's the only point we have. That's the only point we're actually dealing with. So when we do our transformations here, right, with our graphs, normally we take it and we set up a new table and then we write out our rules. That's all we're doing here as well. So let's start out here with looking at the x. Right, looking at what we have inside the parentheses. Now you can rewrite this and look at this a little bit differently, right? -1/3 x, I could rewrite that and think of that as x divided by -3, and I still have that -1 afterward. So if we're looking to do the order of operations, right, it says we're going to divide by -3 and then subtract 1. So looking at the inverse, we're going to take x and we would add 1 first, and then we would take that whole thing and we would multiply it times -3. Okay? And you can feel free to like distribute it through if you want. You could treat this as -3x minus 3, or you could just do the -3 times the quantity of x plus 1. Then it looks like our y values, right? When we take it here, we're taking out the h of everything and replacing it with y. We have 2y minus 1. And now the only points we really have to deal with are the ones that are given over here in our original table, just our -4, 7. So when I take -4 and I plug it in, I have -4 times -3 is 12. 12 minus 3 would be 9. And then on the right side, we're going to plug in 7. 2 times 7 is 14. And then 14 minus 1 is going to be 13. So our new point, right, let's find the coordinates of this point on the transformed graph. It will be at the point 9, 13. And that is our answer. If you have questions about this one, please make sure you reach out to me.